My name's Kimberly Matucci. I'm an ambassador for Splash Scuba, but I also have a passion for freediving. So I'm going to talk about a couple of my favorite freediving things. First of all, I have the SeaAC Modus long blades, and I have them in blue camo. They're really lightweight, so that makes them really good for travel, but they also have great efficiency in the water. Also, I'm wearing the Epsilon Scorpion 5mm two-piece wetsuit, and I have it in red camo. So even though it's camo, it's bright red, so you're sure to stand out, but in a good way. And it's really warm since it's two pieces. Each piece is 5 mils, so yeah, very warm, but it's also really comfortable to wear. So yeah, these are two of my favorite freediving things. Hope you enjoy, and thanks guys, see y'all next time. Bye!